you like to do that, Allie? Is that fun? Oh no, she fell down. Oh, she's up. Oh, here she comes.
I'm still winning.
I'm still winning.
Yeah.
I'm still
Hello, Alex. Say hi. Say hi. Yeah, are you Alex? You're still Alex. You're right. You are still Alex.
And the couch.
Yeah, fire alarm in the couch. Interesting. Good word. Hi, Avery.
Hi. Did you see me? I was still on my head.
I know.
Stupid camera. Get out of here. You make me look bad.
Maybe you need to put on a helmet.
Stupid helmet.
Helmets
are for wussies.
Avery, you have a third eye. You have ketchup in the middle of your forehead. Let me see it.
Can I eat it?
No, that's disgusting. Okay.